Yeah, we're honoured to be here, and it's great to see heaps of our family members as well. So yeah, we thought since it's a kind of a family kind of gathering, we thought we'd invite our kids up to come and sing. So I've got my niece and my two nephews that are here. So these are names as kids. Cool. This first song the kids are going to sing is called Ieova.
My